What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Now in this video, we're gonna go over pumping. Let's go. All right, so pumping, what is it? It's something that you're gonna use everywhere, not just in transition, but it is the key point of getting speed. You'll use this going up banks while you're street skating. You'll use this in transition going up ramps. You'll use this everywhere. All right, so first things first, you need to be extremely comfortable riding your skateboard. So spend time just riding it and having fun. All right, so pumping. You're probably thinking, what do I actually do to pump? And that's what I'm gonna show you now. Obviously, that's why you clicked on the video. Now, to pump, you wanna be in the stance that you normally use to ride around the whole skate park. Your front foot firmly on the bolts and your back foot on the tail, and that is how you ride. So to pump, what you're gonna do is when you get to the transition, and I'll show you exactly where in a minute, you're gonna bend down a little bit and then push your body up the ramp as you go up, and that is the way you're gonna get speed. Now, there is another thing called anti-pump, and that is a way that you can lose your speed completely, and some people want to do that all the time. You'll learn that eventually when you move on. Pumping is when you get to a certain point of the ramp, bending down and pushing your body up the ramp. All right, so this is where you want to start pumping. I'm a regular skater, so I'm going up the ramp this way. Now, I'll have my back foot firmly on my tail, my front foot on the bolts, and once I get to about here, I'll start bending down slightly, and then once I get to this point, I'm gonna push myself up the ramp by pushing my feet into the ground and kind of doing a little hippie jump, but your feet don't actually come off the board. All right, so I will say this can be very frustrating to new beginners because you'll be doing all the right things, but sometimes you still won't go anywhere, and that's because you're not doing them at the right time. So you wanna focus on, before you get to the transition, bend down and then push your body up and use your arms to basically help your body go up when you get to the actual transition. So bend your knees, push up. Bend your knees, push up. Now you can do it switch and fakie. We won't go into that just now. Get comfortable doing it in regular, and then it'll naturally come in fakie. All right, guys, so this trick, it's not really a trick, but it's a way that you need to progress to be able to get better at skateboarding. Take it at your own progression, practice this all the time. And like I said, you'll use this everywhere. Now, we are so close to 500 subscribers. If this video goes out and we've just hit that, thank you so much. Thank you so much for everyone who subscribed. And if you are new here, please consider hitting that sub button. We really appreciate it. Definitely leave a comment on what trick tip you'd like to see next. Peace out, guys. Bam.